Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to take out stuff in this printer. What we need, we need to be able to, we want to put in the paper, the ribbon. You press here, then it will open. So it's going to look like this. So maybe if the old one is gone, then you're going to use this. So you put it in like this. Okay, this part, the blank part should be this side, you get me? Okay, then we put it in, then we close it. Make sure it doesn't get folded, because if it gets, you might get into trouble. Okay, gonna do that. After closing, it's fine. Okay, we installed the roller onto this machine. Okay, then we're gonna make a printout. You're gonna see how it looks like. Okay, print. I'm busy on the computer trying to print, guys. See, our slip came out like this, and when it comes out, it cuts it for you. You can see it cuts it for you. So I'm gonna print another one for a test. Get me, so it prints and cuts it for you, right? So you don't have to stress. Okay, that's the way we do it. I also made another video how to install how to install the drivers for this machine. You need to get drivers from somewhere, because on the internet I couldn't get those drivers. So, and the good thing about the drivers, it has a lot of drivers. You can a lot of models. That's why they did them. That's how they did them. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next video.